India, first largest mosque in India, Jama Masjid, Delhi, and second largest mosque in India, Makkah Masjid. At a time, more than 10,000 people can offer the prayer in the single mosque. And it's a royal gateway. Royal family members used to come by this way and go by this way. So it is closed. Royal family members also come by this. The general public, we came by that way. And here, royal gateway. And a clock tower is also known as clock tower. And it's going to be most probably 6 trains are very fond of fixing the clocks to the public welfare buildings, erected clock towers at the city circles. Four clocks are there, still in a working condition. In those days, by this accuracy time, most of the people going by this way see the time here, just correct their watches. So perfectly working here means accuracy won't be there in the time. Definitely they should watch the time. Show Mahalla.